Before you begin, remove the battery, service cover, and wireless cover. Removal. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the M-SATA drive to the system board and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the M-SATA drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the M-SATA drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the M-SATA drive by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the M-SATA drive with the key in the M-SATA drive slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the M-SATA drive into its slot on the system board. Press the M-SATA drive down and replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the M-SATA drive to the system board.